I have this unfinished wood Christmas tree, and I think this is really cute for the winter season. I got this from Home Depot online, not in the actual store. And I painted the entire thing using some Wise Owl Dry Time, the front and the back. The front is the section with the smaller holes. The back side has a little bit of a bigger hole on the back. For the base, I painted that in Wise Owl Chocolate. Now this measures about 30 inches high, and the base is 5.5 inches wide. And I'm just going to let that fully dry. Once dry, I'm going to take some salt wash. This is a paint additive. It gives texture to your paint. I'm going to be painting with the color Snow Owl. So I'm mixing the salt wash into some of the Snow Owl paint. If you want to add color to this, then you're just going to pick a different color. And I'm going to mix it up until it's about the consistency of some icing. You do want it thick, but you don't want it too thick. I'm then going to take a popsicle stick and I'm just going to add white to the top and to the tips of each point. Once I added it, I then went in with a paintbrush and just did a little bit of a dabbing motion. This is what's going to give it a little more texture. And I want this to kind of look like snow. And then I went down onto the base and I decided to cover the base with the salt wash as well. And when it dries, it has this nice little texture to it. And you want this to fully dry. So this is what we have so far. Next, I'm going to flip this over, and if you haven't figured out, the holes are for some lights. And I'm going to start at the top and just work my way down the Christmas tree, going into each hole with the light. And these fit perfectly. I believe there's about 32 holes. So if your string lights have a little more than 32 lights, that's totally fine. You're just going to have the extra down at the bottom. You can kind of just wrap it up. So when I flipped it over and plugged it in, thank goodness all of my lights worked perfectly. I'm going to take this greenery. I have some pine cones, greenery, and a bell. And I'm going to add it toward the top of the tray. You can really decorate this however you'd like. I'm going to take a piece of jute, so if I have to change out the lights, this is easy to take off. And I'm going to tie it onto the back side. I'm going to give it a double knot and then cut the extra jute off. And there you go, nice and simple. This will make a great porch decor. I hope you enjoyed it. ChocolateFancy.com for our monthly subscription and unfinished cutouts. Thank you so much.